I think it's time you and I had a little bit of a chat about mRNA vaccines. There's so much misinformation going around at the moment about mRNA vaccines that I thought it was time to clear a few things up. Without mRNA, which has been a normal component of your body since pretty much life began, you'd probably be dead by now. Messenger RNA, which you would know as mRNA, is literally that. It carries messages from your DNA, which is inside a protected region of your cell called the nucleus, to other areas of the cell to let it know to build important proteins to help with cell function. mRNA does not modify your DNA. It carries messages from your DNA. It cannot enter the nucleus where DNA is housed, and in no way combines or modifies your DNA. And it certainly does not change your genetic code, and is broken down rapidly once it has been used. Vaccines as a whole are designed to train our immune system to recognize a virus should it ever enter the body. Traditionally, this has been done using a weakened form of the virus, or by using signature proteins taken from the virus that your body is able to recognize. Where mRNA vaccines differ is, rather than injecting a weakened form of the virus or a signature viral protein, mRNA is injected to instruct the body to build that exact viral protein itself. This would be done by the muscle cells when it's injected in the upper arm. Here we have an example of a viral cell. On the outside will be signature proteins, drawn here as triangles that we can train our immune system to recognize. In short, we take one of these proteins, not the whole virus, and make a set of instructions that tell our body how to make that protein and prepare the immune system. This is an mRNA vaccine. This means should the real virus ever enter your body will recognize that protein, know it's not normal, and remove it immediately. Let me be very clear right here. It does not, nor can it, instruct the body to rebuild the entire virus which is required for infection. mRNA can only instruct your body to build what is contained in its highly specific code. It only instructs your body to build enough of the relevant signature protein so that your immune system can learn what this looks like, and therefore your body can detect it quickly should the real virus ever enter. Sure, mRNA vaccines are synthetic, but it cannot be transferred to the next generation. That is your DNA. Do not get the two confused. And as I mentioned earlier, mRNA vaccines will not modify your DNA anyhow. mRNA vaccines are broken down very rapidly by the body, as is all mRNA, leaving only the immune response, which is what you need to keep. mRNA technology is actually not new. We've known about it since as far back as 1990. So this isn't some brand new untested technology, and internet gurus need to stop acting like it is. mRNA is actually a regular way that your body functions and communicates with inside each cell. It arguably makes more sense than injecting a weakened form of a virus, which I also don't have a problem with. The great thing about mRNA vaccines is they're actually simple and rapid to create once we have the full genetic code of a virus. For COVID-19, once we had the genetic code of the virus, it actually only took days to build a test mRNA vaccine, whereas it can actually take up to 6 months to build a traditional vaccine for things like the flu. This means for a virus that has an mRNA vaccine, should it mutate, as long as we can get the genetic code, we can rapidly create a new form of the vaccine. So there's a chance you're going to be seeing a lot more mRNA vaccines in the future, and I actually think that's a great progress for science and public health. Let me know in the comments if you got some value from this video and learned something new about mRNA vaccines, and be sure to click like and subscribe if you want some more snappy science in your life. Until next time, stay safe and be good to one another.